Hello everyone, welcome to the tool demonstration of AutoMA. AutoMA is a toolchain for combined model-based testing and model analysis which uses GraphWalker to UPAL and UPAL to GraphWalker as two tools. This is a generic architecture of AutoMA which consists of both GraphWalker to UPAL as well as UPAL to GraphWalker. So once the test engineer develops a model and the MBT has been applied on it, so to perform the analysis, when the transformation is done to an analysis model, so GraphWalker to UPAL is being used for the automated transformation. After the analysis model is generated, the model is verified under a model checker by a test engineer, and the corresponding modifications, if there are any, are done by the test engineer in UPAL or the model checker tool itself. After the modification part, the retransformation of the analysis model to a corresponding MBT model is being done by UPAL to GraphWalker, and it also generates a Graphis PNG file which shows the modification details from the actual model file and the new model file. This is the set of requirements that we need to execute the tool. So it is as it is developed on Java, JRE version 8 or higher is required, and Python is required to support the Graphviz library, and input to this model is a UPAL supported XML model file which could have been generated using GraphWalker to UPAL. So to execute the tools, this is the messenger model that we have also discussed in the paper. So this model represents a basic chat application online messenger model where a user can chat with another user after selecting his or her name from the user list loaded. Now we need a corresponding analysis model to perform the model analysis on this behavioral model. So now we are going to use GraphWalker to UPAL and generate the corresponding analysis model which will represent the same behavioral model currently on the screen. So this is the corresponding analysis model that we have generated using GraphWalker to UPAL. So it represents the same behavioral model that we have discussed in GraphWalker. So this representation is been taken by UPAL as an input, and now we will do the analysis on this model and will modify the model based on a set of specific requirements which are again mentioned in the paper. Now based on the specific set of requirements, we have modified the model by deleting and adding some edges here on the screen. We have also added some guards and actions over some edges to satisfy the requirement. Now the requirement that we have discussed in the paper, now if we check the requirement with the Verifita, so it fails, which satisfy a requirement that if the chat started with user X state is reached, the value of users should not be equal to 0. Now the negation of this requirement will be true, which satisfy the requirements completely. Now after the modification of the analysis model, a corresponding MBT model is again required to continue the process of model based testing. So to generate the corresponding MBT model, we will execute UPAL to GW with the command given with the file. So this is the command to execute the UPAL to GraphWalker file. So if we execute the command, it shows the guards, actions and variables that we have added. It also shows the time taken to generate the model, and it also, with using the Java system execution, it also executes the Graphviz from the Python and generate the changed image to represent the changes in our model. We can see that we have got the analysis model back with us with all the changes that we have done in analysis model. So this is the same model which represents the same system under test, but now it is a bit modified. Now talking about the GraphWalker changes that we have done in the model. So this is the Graphviz image which is generated using Graphviz supported by Python. So that was the entire demonstration for the toolchain AutoMA. Thank you.